Welcome to Flipped Classroom. Today's lesson is on literary analysis. What is literary analysis? It's an expository essay, which means it explains a piece of literature. It interprets the text, not retelling the story. When you do a literary analysis, you assume the audience has read the text. A literary analysis is aimed at illuminating, not evaluating. For example, you would not be saying this is a good story. You would be saying this is an insightful story because, and explain your answer. A literary analysis reveals a deeper understanding of the text, and it explains one possible interpretation of the text. The skills required for a literary analysis include close reading. You must divide the text into its elements, for example, character, setting, plot, and theme. The goal is to explain the text meaning and support your interpretation with evidence. How to analyze a literary text? You begin by breaking apart the different elements and studying each piece. The different elements of literary analysis include character, plot, setting, conflict, symbolism, theme, and other literary devices. Characters are imagined people. The author shows you what they are like through their actions, speech, thoughts, attitudes, and background. Plot is the arrangement of events of the story. What happens to whom, where, when, and why? If the events follow each other logically and in keeping with the characters, is the plot plausible or believable? Setting refers to the time and place of events and may include the season, the weather, and the people in the background. The setting also helps establish a literary work's mood and atmosphere, the emotional climate that a reader senses. Symbols are tangible objects, visible actions, or characters that hint at meanings beyond themselves. A theme is a work's main idea or insight. It's the author's observation about life, society, or even human nature. Sometimes you can sum up a theme in a sentence. For example, human beings cannot live without illusion. Other times a theme may be implied, hard to discern, or one of several in a work. But to state a theme, make sure you go beyond a work's topic or subject by asking yourself, what does the author say about the subject? Details from the story should support your statement of theme, and your theme should account for the details. Remember, when reading a text, reading is supposed to be entertaining on many levels, so make sure for your literary analysis you are looking for the deep meaning. Now it is time to write your literary analysis. Best of luck.